Building papercraft models and downloaded PEP files for your project. These contain unfolded 3D models ready to print and assemble. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these Pepakura Designer project files. Be sure to stick around for the end. I'll introduce the single most powerful PEP inspection tool that can address this entire problem, along with virtually every other file type you encounter. A PEP file is a project created by Pepakura Designer, a program for making 2D papercraft models from 3D data. Users search for this file to open, print, and assemble intricate paper models of characters, vehicles, or objects, a popular hobby for crafters and cosplayers. The PEP file is a proprietary binary container that stores both the original 3D model data and the unfolded 2D pattern layout. This design allows the software to maintain a link between the 3D view and the 2D parts, enabling users to edit the layout, flaps, and texturing interactively. Your primary troubleshooting tool for PEP should be the specialized Pepakura Designer by Tama Software. Native Windows association often leads to errors due to the file's complexity and proprietary format. Windows offers basic rendering, but detailed manipulation demands industry-standard design software. We need to force an application assignment. Right-click your PEP file and select Open With. If Pepakura Designer is installed, test it. If it's unavailable, select another program. Testing is the most direct path to the fix. If your PEP file isn't cooperating, don't worry. The file didn't cooperate. Let's now transition to these 3 highly effective troubleshooting steps to conquer the PEP problem. First, opening in Pepakura Designer. Launch Pepakura Designer and use File then Open to load the PEP file. The application displays both the 3D model and the unfolded 2D template side by side. Adjust scale, modify the unfolding pattern, or refine tab placement before printing the assembly template for papercraft construction. Next, using Pepakura Viewer. Download the free Pepakura Viewer from tamasoft.co.jp to open and print PEP files without the full designer license. The viewer enables printing assembly templates and viewing 3D models, but doesn't allow modifications to the unfolding. This is sufficient for using PEP files shared by other crafters in the community. Finally, printing for assembly. Print the PEP template at appropriate scale on cardstock paper for durability. Use Pepakura's print preview to verify page layout and adjust scale based on desired final model size. Cut along solid lines. Fold along dashed lines and glue tabs to assemble the 3D paper model following the numbered edge identifiers. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.